Welcome everyone. In today's video we are diving into the world of crochet, a simple yet wall hanging magical art that connects creativity, mindfulness and family love. As Xmas approaches, these timeless crafts can bring warmth, peace and togetherness to your home. Whether you are creating a cozy blanket, tiny ornaments, wall hanging decoration or festive decoration, crochet is more than just a hobby. A festive decoration, crochet is more than just a hobby, it's a form of meditation through movement, color, and care. So, here is amazing crafting ideas, here is amazing session. Crochet isn't only the adults, it's a wonderful family activity. You can teach your kids simple stitches and let them create small things like star hearts or Xmas garlands. Children love the feelings of creating something from nothing. It improves their patience, focus, and fine motor skills. So, crochet is an ancient craft using just a hook and yarn to weave imagination into reality. Every stitch tells a story of patience, rhythm, and self expressions. During the holidays, when the world gets busy and noisy, crochet gives you a quiet corner of calm. You can create beautiful things like Xmas tree ornaments, coasters, snowflakes, or little gift bag, all handmade with love. It also a wonderful sustainable choices using leftover yarn or recycled fiber to make meaningful decorations eco-friendly and heartfelt. Crochet is often described as a moving meditation. As your hands move rhythmically, looping, pulling, and turning, your mind begins to slow down. You start focusing on the gentle motion of the hook, the texture of the yarn, and your breathing. This mindfulness rhythm helps reduce stress, anxiety, and overthinking. Many people say that after 10 or 15 minutes of recording their thoughts settle, their moods lifts, and they feel peaceful, just like meditation or deep breathing exercises. During Xmas time, this can be a powerful way to bring calm and mindfulness into your festive days. Crochet is only for adults. It's a wonderful family activity. You can teach your kids simple stitches and let them create small things like stars, heart, or Xmas garlands. Xmas love the feelings of creating something from nothing. It improves their patience, focus, and fine motor skills. Working together on a crochet project help families connect, sharing laughter, stories, and creativity. You can sit by the fireplace, play soft Xmas music, and make beautiful handmade gifts together. These are the memories that children carry forever, moment of peace, warmth, and love. Crocheting has many health benefits too. It relaxes your body, lowers blood pressure, and reduces stress hormones. It keeps the mind active and improves hand-eye coordination. For kids, it teaches patience, discipline, and confidence. They feel proud when they finish a piece with their own hands. For adults, especially parents and grandparents, crochet brings a sense of fulfillment and calmness. So here is a very beautiful wall hanging and beautiful crochet pattern you can make for this season. Something precious in today's busy life. And during the holiday season, when emotions often run high, crochet becomes a soothing escape, a mindful pause to reconnect with yourself and your loved ones. The Xmas try making your own crochet ornaments, snowflakes, stars, or even tiny stocking. Decorate your home with handmade love, each piece carrying your heart and mindfulness with it. Remember, crafting is not about perfection, it's about connection to your creativity, your emotions, and your family. So take a deep breath, pick up your yarn, and start your crochet journey this Xmas. Spread warmth, joy, and calm, one stitch at a time. So may your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, and whatever you have, you want to have, you have in your life. May you have in your life. Thank you for joining us. Thank you be a part of this journey, and thank you for watching like here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this mindful crochet journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cozy craft ideas. Until next time, keep crafting with love and mindfulness. It's a very beautiful thing, it's a beautiful hobby, and it has many benefits. So stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care. Have a very nice and very beautiful journey. Take care of yourself and your family members. Keep crafting, keep busy, and enjoying yourself. May your home